Kia ora, my cuzzies, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm going to show you all my favourite things about a Kiwi summer. Oake tātou. Number 1, my diggy things. Number 2, kai and a y. Careful. And thirdly, my towel. But my favouriteest thing of all is pohuta trees. One of the best things about pohuta trees is they give you shade out of the hot sun. That's the OG sunblock. Ooh, bottle that up and call it shadow. Ooh, I also love to climb them. Come on. 3 points of contact. Okay. Ah, I made it. Oh, I love this rako. When it comes to Kiwi summer, you could say we're in Pohoots. All right, I'm off to do my second favouriteest thing, swimming. Let's go. Come on. Buzz the Cuz, about to dive into the water. Here we go. That's the Buzz, my cuz. Ka kite anō.